So guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be giving you an update on the pollination that I have done on this pepper plant a few days ago. So continue watching. In a previous video I had used the swabbing method to pollinate the flowers. I also demonstrated the tapping method as well as shaking of the branch. This method I have tested and proven, and I have had massive successes so far. So let us take a look at what has happened over the past few days. As you can see, the fruit are forming and I have had no pepper drops in recent times. All these peppers you are seeing here, I have pollinated in recent times. The smaller ones, they are those that I have done a few days ago in my demonstration. As I have said before, tested and proven. Those that you're seeing right here, they are maturing nicely, and in a while they will start to ripe. Basically on every branch you look, you're seeing peppers, and this just goes to show how successful hand pollination can be. So this pepper plant right here is the one that some time ago was yellowing, and I placed 2 nails at the roots, and it has made a great transition since that. You can check out my shorts column for the video on that. If you have not yet seen my pollination demonstration video, just click on that card in the right top corner. So you can see for yourself the different stages of pepper production, from flowering to small fruits, fruits that are maturing, to those that are matured and are waiting to be harvested. So guys, don't be afraid to experiment, don't be afraid to try new things. So if you find this interesting and you got value from this video, consider subscribing if you have not yet done so. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching and happy farming.